Now, in this part, I'm going to give you a topic and I would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you'll have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, here some paper and a pen for making notes. And the topic is talk about a movie or performance that you watched recently. All right. So remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when the time is up. Could you start speaking now, please?
In my entire life, I watched lots of movies, and one of them there are some related adventures and other things. And now I'd like to talk about a movie which I watched recently. And this movie name is Pirates of the Caribbean: The Curse of the Red Pearl, which is the first part of the Pirates of the Caribbean series. And it was released in 2003, and it became popular worldwide. And this is an action adventure film and which set on the story 18th century and follow the story of Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow is a clever and somewhat eccentric pirate who searching for his stolen ship, the Black Pearl. The story begins when a young lady, Elizabeth Swan, was kidnapped by the Captain Barbossa, who was a cursed pirate. And these pirates are under a supernatural curse that turns them into a undead skeleton in moonlight. Meanwhile, the blacksmith named Will Turner is in love with Elizabeth and he teams up with Jack Sparrow to rescue her. And the adventures take them into across the sea and facing battles, betrayals, and surprises. And this movie is full of humor, action, and mystery, which make it the unpredictable. One of the most thing about I admire the Captain Jack Sparrow performance, which was performed by Johnny Depp, and his unique acting skills, funny dialogues, and unpredictable nature make the film unforgettable. And the costumes and visual effects was good in this film. And after that, there is a message to all of us that you should survive in any situation with a smart and unique way, and you do not feel any stress and difficulties and so on things. And that is the thing I enjoyed last weeks, and one of my friends suggested me to watch it, and I also watched this movie with my friends. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Could you please return the paper, topic, and time?